Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager, and in today's video we are so excited to announce you to guys is our virtual add-on. The wait is finally over and we are launching the virtual add-on. Is up for sale now. You can visit our official website to grab your copy, and if you want to like a demo, that's available as well in the demo platform of ours. So I'm gonna come into the demo section later on with more details. Let's talk about the virtual add-on, and in this video I'm going to show you the key features of it and how you can use it. So let's start without wasting any more time. To see the landing page for yourself, you can visit our official website, of course, at wp-eventmanager.com, and over there you will find the virtual page and you will land on the same page I am right now. And over here you can see screenshots of the add-on itself, and the features are explained there. But in today's video I'm gonna go through those features and explain them a bit by bit, and later on we're gonna have in-depth videos about each module or each sections we have in this expo, and we're gonna talk you through like how to configure them, how to use them, and what you can expect out of it. So let's get right into it. So over here, the first screenshot you will see is for reception. So this is the reception area for your virtual event. Over here, live sessions, upcoming sessions will be displayed right at the center over here, as you can see. And over here, there will be a booth from your social lounge and one exhibitor from your expo area. So this is the reception area. It doesn't have much into it, but down below you will have sponsors as well later on. That's on work. That will like enable you to monetize your events in a much better way. So let's move on to the session section. Don't worry, we will have like in-depth videos about like how to manage these sections and how to like customize them and all. But let's now go through the points and like explain them a little bit. So the sessions, so this is a courtesy of our speaker and schedules add-on. So that add-on works as well as alone with WP Event Manager and integrates nicely with our Expo add-on as well. So the sessions over here you see is from speaker and schedules that will also show up in your single event details page as well as in your Expo area. So over here you can see the sessions interface, how it looks like. As an organizer, you can manage them from the Expo interface itself. So for that you do not need to go any backend, but there is an option. If you want to do that, you can manage your sessions from event dashboard, but we gave you the option to do that from Expo interface as well. So you do not have to visit the event dashboard or let's say admin backend in order to manage your sessions. That you can solely do from Expo itself. So this feature you will look for throughout the Expo add-on. Every manageable or like customizable features are already inside Expo, so you can manage them, customize them, or manage your data from or within the Expo itself, though separate dashboard required. So the sessions, let's talk about them a little bit. Over here you can define your sessions, you can give them title, you can assign your host or speakers. Obviously you can define start date, start time, end date, end time, and all of that stuff. Obviously these sessions will get updated in real time based on their status, so such as like live or upcoming, or you can say finish status. They will all get updated in real time in this page. So that's the session page, and we're gonna take more look into it, of course, in upcoming video in depth. So let's talk about the lounge area. So this is the social lounge. Over here, as always, you can as an organizer manage your lounge from this page itself. So basically social lounge will have tables throughout them, and each table can facilitate minimum of 2 seats and maximum of 8 seats. And these tables you can set custom text, custom logo for them, like you can see over here, and you can even like monetize those tables in such way. So let's say you can put your sponsor's logo there, or sponsor's name, or a short message from your sponsor in the tables. So this enables a little bit of monetization as well, as you can expect. And we will talk more about the table later on, and we will show you how that works and how to use the feature. So keep tuned for that. Let's go to booth. This section is the golden egg for event managers who want to monetize their events. If you ask how so, this page is over here. As you can see, we have one card here. You can have multiples till unlimited. Over here you can add exhibitors. So basically what that is, a customized page for a company or a person who is exhibiting on your expo or your virtual event. You can create a customized page for them. So basically, let's say if your one of sponsor wants a customized like page for their self in the exhibition, you can do that over here. So in expo area, you can add an exhibitor, you can manage them as well from this page itself. We will talk more about the exhibition feature, like totally in depth, how to do that, how to manage everything, and what to expect out of it. We will do that in a next upcoming video. And when our sponsored add-on drops, you will be able to assign tires or tiers to the exhibitors over here, such as bronze, let's say bronze, or let's say silver, or let's say golden. Those are not predefined, but you can define whatever tire you want to like to give to your exhibitor, and they will appear in that format. So let's say if you assign gold sponsor to a exhibitor over here, they will appear in the topper section of the list. You get the idea, but we will talk about more in upcoming video. Let's move on to the next section over here. So this is like some of the use case scenarios, but not limited to. So over here, let's look at the points, and then I will explain to you what they are meaning. Okay. So over here, you can see annual conference, fair and exhibitors, meetups, live shows and gigs, conference and summits, hybrid events, international events, social webinars, trade shows, networking. So what this means is like basically you can create any of these scenarios with our virtual add-on. Okay, but this is not limited to, like I said, you can create something else other than this. It can be a mix of any of these combinations or anything that you like to do with the Add-on Expo. It's very versatile, it's very customizable, and we are really excited how people are gonna use it for. So basically over here we have 5 predefined scenario that you can use it for, but like I said, it's not limited to. So let's move over to session management. Again, this is courtesy of our speaker and schedules add-on. Over here you can create multiple sessions, and expo can handle multiple sessions going live in one moment or like at the same time. Obviously from the session, when your speaker and your host joins the session, attendees will be able to join as well when the sessions goes live, and that's all in real time. Sessions will have like their individual feed chat, their polling, or their question answer sections, even raise hand sections, obviously. Basically, let me go through the sessions key points over here. As you can see, manage main stage with attendees, speakers, and host. So obviously on the main stage, you can manage or like customize the layout of your speaker and host. You can hide any speaker or host, you can unhide them, or you can focus any of them as well. And then we have the schedule session as speaker and assign host. This I have already like explained a bit in our upper section, but basically that means is like you can obviously customize your session section. And advanced live streaming, so this is very cool, and we were able to pull that off. So basically over here you can define multiple streaming destinations for your session. So when a session goes live, you can live stream that entire session content with layout and all to a destination. So it can be Facebook live streaming, it can be white YouTube live streaming, it can be Twitch, whatever you like is you can do. That we wanna take a look at when we set up the expo and we deep dive into the session section, and I'll show you how to do that. So basically over here you can see a screenshot of representation of session, like stage how it would look like, but we will show you in depth when we get into the demo section. Meet your speaker and backstage before the session start. So this is a cool feature. Your host, your co-host, and your speakers, they can meet up before even the event start to have like a pre-discussions about the session. If they have anything doubts to clear out, you can have a little quick chat in the session itself before its even starts. And do not worry, if it's not started, your attendees cannot see it. That's pretty simple. So I'm not gonna bore you with technical terms over here in the session management. Later on we will obviously see that in action. Let's move on to the next section. Over here we have real-time conversation. So when you are creating a live event, real-time conversation is a must-have. We know that, and we have done it. So live one-in-one question answer with speakers. You can directly message like anyone in the like platform in your at event. So there is will be a panel where you will be able to see all the peoples they are live or online right now. You can shoot them a message, and it will directly end up in their inbox. Polls and surveys. So obviously polls and surveys are available for sessions as well, or in a event level. So sessions will have their individual polls or surveys, as well as the event itself will have a global poll itself. What I mean by that, I'll definitely like explain that in a upcoming video, like more nicely and more in depth with demonstration. But just for now, let's say session and the event both will have their individual polls area where you can define polls, and that's totally in real time. Anyone gives answer, they will be able to see their answer and see others answer, like what's others been voting for in the poll. We will actually check that out later on. Screen sharing during sessions. So we implemented screen sharing with a session, in case if a speaker giving a speech wanna share their screen for a presentation. That's pretty standard feature, nothing new, and we have it. File sharing feature to enhance your presentation. This is something cool that most of the like providers out there doesn't have. You can share a PDF file in order to share your presentation in stage. So let's say you don't want to share your screen for presentation, instead you want to have a PDF file like a PPT, you can do that. All right. And raise hand along with emoji reactions, these are pretty simple features. Raise hand allows our attendees to join our speaker or host in the session or in the stage in order to have a discussion. Host or like organizers will have ability to either accept or reject a raise hand request. Based on that, the entry will be accepted or denied to the stage for the attendee. And emoji reactions, they are totally ripe. They will walk like you see over here. They will be flying like that when you send them to the host or speakers. And this is not for you only, it will be broadcasted across all the attendees, all the speakers and hosts out there, but no public information such as name or email address gets exposed. So let's go to the next section over here, build attendee experience. Basically, this section means is like creating a vast network for your attendees or your speaker and host, having a let's say connection over there, and talking about their, let's say, interest. Let's not get into the explanation, but rather let's talk about the features we have highlighted here. Interactive lounge for participants. So like I said, the lounge tables are interactive. They can join any table they want. They can have a group discussion over there, or maybe a one-on-one discussion. They can even engage into a speed networking section as well. So one-on-one speed networking, that's the next point. And over there you can speed network, or like let's say like talk with another person with similar interest in the lounge area, and we will talk about that even more in our next upcoming video. I really hope you guys will visit us soon, because there's a lot of things that we cannot fit into this introduction video. We will have like a feature demonstration, so that makes more sense. Later we have expandable tables for our private group discussions. So our tables are flexible, they can expand, and what I mean by that, we'll obviously see that in our demonstration. Customizable booth and sponsor monetizations. So like I said, every booth page or like exhibitor page can be customized as per their need. So you can set custom logo, custom banner, you can set description for them, or you can give them specialized tables. Like the lounge area, they will have their own tables inside their exhibition page. And obviously there will be sponsor monetization that I was just talking about. Broadcast announcement to attendees. So this is a real-time experience as well. You can broadcast any message to any attendee or like the entire audience at once using our Expo add-on, and they will be able to see that in their alerts panel. Okay, so let's go to the other sections we have over here. Scale your brand awareness with interactive and customizable booth. So this is a point from above, which have been actually talked about. Let's go through them very quickly. Attendees can interact with exhibitors via live chat or video. So basically what that means is the exhibition section will have their own tables where a booth representative or the company representative can reside, and when someone attendee like comes in and join, they can have a chat with them in their own customized booth. So this is not a part of a social table, but the organizer or the exhibitor will have their own tables there itself. Okay, boot tables formatting, like I said right now, download browser, exchange business card, watch product demos, and visit the WordPress site. So basically, exhibitors can distribute brochures there, like give them their visiting card or business cards, or they can like post their product demos, and they can obviously paste their website link over there as well. But the download brochure and exchange business card feature is in work. We're gonna introduce that very shortly, but you can expect them in the add-on itself coming along. Empower your exhibitors. So this all obviously allows our exhibitors to empower themselves and to promote themselves throughout the event to the attendees they are joining. uh Again, we're gonna take a look at this in depth in very step by step format in our upcoming videos. Do tune in for that. And next on, we have analytics. That's pretty crucial at this era. We know that, and we have implemented that. So basically, you will find real-time data with audience demographic, detailed report about number, registration, and ticket sold, courtesy of our registration and ticket add-on, session view and interactions, number of participant visits a particular booth, check-ins, browser views, downloads, and everything. So basically, our analytics module will be able to provide you with these data in upcoming days. So let's go on to other section where we have now about the ticketing. I know some events will be free, some events will have tickets in case you want to monetize it. So sell ticket add-on is never been better like now. We have updated our sell ticket plugin very recently, and we are proud to announce that the sell ticket add-on will work just nicely with our Expo add-on. Okay, so basically our Expo add-on requires a registration in order to get access. So the registration and sell ticket add-on, they already work seamlessly with each other. Now they are working seamlessly with our Expo add-on. So this creates like a ecosystem of like a flow that gives our users to have like a ticket purchase from the event. At the same time, they get registered automatically, and with that same ticket they can enter the Expo as well. Later on, we're gonna create a system where based on ticket they will have certain privileges as well. Let me know, guys, if you want to see that feature very soon, or we should reconsider that. That's definitely in talk. And let's say about integrations. We already introduced some of the CRM integrations with WP Event Manager that we will have separate videos from, but do check out our official website for more details. So basically, we worked with Zapier, Sendinblue, Constant Contact, HubSpot CRM, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Juhu CRM, Salesforce in order to synchronize your WP Event Manager related data with all the CRM to make your life little easier. And then we have the mobile app, obviously the gem of our crown. We wanna integrate our expo management with mobile app in upcoming days, but that's in works. Do tune in for that video. I'm very excited when that drops. So basically that concludes this video, but we have one last feature to talk about, that is sponsorship and partnership. This will be available very soon via our sponsors add-on, and this will be a real gem for the Expo add-on itself or the virtual add-on itself. This will allow you to expand your monetization to a like vast majority of areas. Expo will have nice integration with our sponsor add-on itself, and you will be able to do really cool stuff with it, like assigning tires to your exhibitors, even show sponsors throughout the event area, and those will be totally customizable as well. So basically those are the things that the landing page like gives you right now. I hope you guys will visit here. So if you want to take a demo for yourself, you can do that. It's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is click on this watch a demo button. That will open a like a link, this link. This is our official demo server. So over here we have given you with some login details that you can use for in order to have a expo experience. So over here you can either use organizer, you can use host, you can use speaker, you can use attendee, and you can log in here and go ahead and take a full-on experience. So let me go ahead and log in and show you how you can facilitate the like service over here that we are given. Let's log in, and there we have the virtual expo. Let's go to an event, or you can go directly to the live event expo, and it will take you to the event that have expo integrated within it. So no setup required, just a straightforward demo. You can come here and watch the demo for yourself. You can drop a pre-sales query if you like throughout our website. If you want any features, if you are facing any problems, you can let them know as well via the comment section, or you can open a chat session through our official website as well. So over here, you can come and experience the expo for yourself. We have a nice little demo prepared for you over here. You can come and experience it and let us know how you think. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And until next time, I'm Shala saying goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.